Hello, Mid-Dell family. My name is Megan Bryant, and I'm the Director of Counseling and Mental Health here in Mid-Dell Schools. We are excited to invite you to an event that we are hosting on November 12th from 6:30 to 8:30 at the Mid-Dell Technology Center. This event is called the Engage Family Learning Academy. We really want to partner with you in supporting your children. We understand while they're with us at school, we are teaching them academics. We are helping support managing their emotions and helping support the behaviors we're seeing in the school. And we want to help partner with you as you're at home with those children. And so this event is going to have interactive sessions in regards to family and student relationships, how to grow those relationships within your home, and then how to help us know how to love your children better. We also are going to have sessions about emotional regulation and just some things and knowledge that we want to share with you about things that we've learned as educators, but also some behavioral supports. Our mental health specialists, our behavioral specialists in the district have invited a lot of community partners to this event, and so we are so excited. We hope you can join us. There's a registration link in this post. We also have a flyer about it. Go check it out, learn more information, reach out to us if you have additional questions, but we hope to see you on November 12th at the Tech Center.